What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Hensley's food review. Today we are trying Subway's new Baja chicken sub. So, open it up. There you go. So it has red onions, pickles, lettuce, banana peppers, chicken. Like, look at it. A bunch of meat on it. It's got pepper jack cheese. It's got a cheddar cheese sauce and what was the other sauce on this? Baja sauce? Oh, Baja sauce. I got the urban cheese bread. I did get it toasted. So, let's see.
It's giant cheese,
Huh?
toasted pepper jack, lettuce, green peppers, red onions, jalapenos, pickles, banana peppers, cheddar cheese, baja, chipotle, stuffed crust, and salt peppers.
So it's got green peppers on it. Here, I'll tell you right. Here, let's see. So it has roasted chicken, pepper jack cheese, lettuce, pickles, green peppers, onions, jalapenos, banana peppers, cheddar cheese, Baja chipotle sauce, black pepper, salt, and whatever sub crunch is. I don't know what that is. And toast it. I guess they had buy one get one free, so my sub was free. I'm gonna take a bite. You get a taste of everything. Like, you get a bite of the pepper, you get a bite of the chicken, you get a bite of the lettuce, you get a bite of the cheese, both cheese. You get the banana peppers, you get the jalapeno, all at once. Not hot, not spicy. Your favorite jalapeno and banana pepper. It would be a little tingly, but it's not. It's actually a really good sandwich. See the peppers, or green pepper, or jalapeno, chicken, lettuce. Bun toasted good. It's a really good sandwich. I can't stop eating it. So we're gonna break it down. I give you tenderness of the chicken. I'm gonna give it a 6. Around toppings and stuff I put on it, give it a 9. The bread is a 9. The toastiness of it is a 10. My overall on it is gonna be do it 8.5. Would I buy it again? Yeah, I'll buy it again. It's a really good sandwich. Like something different. There's some chicken's tender, juicy. Overall, it's a really great sandwich. So I give it an 8.5. Now, like I said, everybody, if you have not, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like it. Make sure you leave me a comment, even if it's telling me my video was horrible or you like my video. Give me some suggestions on stuff to try, or if you'd like to send me anything to try from where you are, leave me a comment and I will private message you. With that being said, thank you all for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed this, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.